Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Durantio on Streamio and why it's not working on your PC. So from your any browser available on your PC, you can tap or type streamio.com for you to log in, and you can also download in here for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or any browser that you have. So they have released now a new Streamio web, so you can just download in another tab, open torontio.com. So you can also see this on another tab, and what we do here is just to fill in the necessary informations here, and then let's go back to Stromio again. And once it's done installing, so let's wait for it to load and finish installing, then tap finish to continue completing the Streamio setup. And then you can now have a freedom to stream. You can use your email or sign into your Gmail or Facebook, and then you can confirm by writing in your password and sign up. So after logging in, you'll be able to see this on your page. So set of movies from here, all you have to do is just to go to your Torontio app and just here paste the link from Torontio, and then that's how it works already. So you can watch your movies that you wish to. So I hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.